Good afternoon, all. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's in a practical session, start the practical number 27, 28, 29 on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here marks allocation for course. Here vision mission of Departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering to produce engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission, three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here, syllabus for course. Here, course outcome. After the completion of this practical, you achieve last CO, that is fifth CO, that is develop the 3D animation objects. Practical course outcome matrix. On that today's practical session, we conduct the practical number 27, 8 and 9 that is mapped with the 5th CO. The practical number 27 table, practical number 27, use of basic shapes in 3D animation. These are the practical significances. These are the program outcomes. Which are the program outcomes? Basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, the engineers and society, individual and teamwork, lifelong learning. Practical outcome, design a simple 3D animation using basic shapes. The minimum theoretical background, which are already completed in the theory lectures. The result, conclusion, table will be completed. These are the theory questions are there. Extra given the question in a PPT. The practical related questions. Create the 3D with help of the shape in a blender and moving the car in a blender. Okay, these are the advanced software as the 3D blender. I'm trying to demonstrate the one object only for you watching it. And on that basis of 3D animation, all practicals means which are the 27, 28, 29, after that 32. These four practicals are to complete the using through only you use the also YouTube, means in a YouTube you type the sentence that create the 3D animation with the help of basic shapes. Their videos will be displayed that are watching it and that are understanding it, because their software is no anywhere to students. Okay, so how do you practice this? So only for watching the videos. These all the videos are available in YouTube that are search it and only for watching how to create the car, how to create the shapes. Okay, that's like the practical number also next practical. So I'm taking the merging that practicals. All are the depends on that 3D animation. Create the objects in a 3D animation. These are the practical significances. After that, these are the minimum theoretical background. Table, result, conclusion, practical related questions. Extra question given that in a PPT, added that. In that said as the create the cup in a blender and create the car in a blender. Okay. These are also available the videos in a YouTube that are watching it, search and watching it that. This when we watching that to imagine how to create that. Okay. And when you reach in a college, that time to you handle that on that PC, that time to use that Blender software. After that, practical number 29. In that practical number 29, lofting and lath creation in a 3D animation. Practical significances, POs. After that, develop in that minimum theoretical background. Also, table, result, conclusion. The three questions are there. Extra questions are given it. Then also in that said as the in a 3D animation detect any two-digit numbers. means two numbers digit will be created. After that, in a 3D animation, Blender to depict your name initial, means you create the name. For example, initial will be displayed, John, in that J will be created. That's like, okay. These all questions are available in a 3D animations in a practical session. That all practicals are you watching only for videos through YouTube. Practical number 27. So table will be completed. With that, extra questions are given. Result. Conclusion. By this practical, I am able to use basic shapes in 3D animation. Practical number 28. Table will be completed it. Extra questions are given it. And their result and conclusion. By this practical, I am able to create objects in a 3D animation. 29 practical tables. After that, extra questions are given that, and result and conclusion. By this practical, I am able to crafting and lathe creation in a 3D animation. Okay. These are the software that Blender. Okay, if any possible for yourself, then download a Blender software. Free softwares are there, and install it in your PC, laptop, and use them. Okay. See the videos on that YouTube. All videos are available. Okay, that using through you create it. This is your surface in that we create the objects. I am to showing the for examples which are we created. The cup, sorry, car. These are the car. Object will be created. Okay, again I am to showing. Open that. Cup. That is the cup. There is the object mode, means created the mode. Okay, is the edit mode, means changing that. This line you change that. Not any editable. Oh shit. This line. When you use, these are the modes are available, and that you use the object modes, means is converted in a object. These are the edit mode. Means your points will be displayed using 2 points. You move it. That's why you create that object. Also showing that edit mode. This change it when you edit that. There are the X, Y, Z coordinators ready, so that time change it that. Also this line. Okay. Edit mode. Using through edit mode, you edit your that shape. After that, click on that object mode. Means finishing that object. Editing using through that's like this line. Okay, these are the sample already have created it, showing that new. Firstly, that is the transform. Okay, in that rotate, scale, mirrors are used. Okay. I in that add objects are there using through create one object. For example, I'm giving the cylinder. How to create the curve using these through. Okay, these are the x, y, z coordinates. Okay, and you edit that object. This line. You see that this line. Any other objects? Let move it. Any other in that camera, that lamp. Many options are available. Okay, in that too, select view. Okay, render, in that rotate, select mirror options are there. That any text want to delete, create it. Also text will be created with in your practical that said as the create the initial. Okay, that's like any ball. These are the basic shapes. Okay, the ball changes any that edit mode. That will be created in the x, y, z coordinates. This is the cube. This through also you edit that. The circle, this through new shapes will be added, and using these shapes you create the car, curve, whatever. Okay, these are your Blender software. Okay, and which are the given this by is all practicals. Okay, in that practicals we give the basic shapes. Okay, basic shapes you already done that. Okay, in that 28 practical, 29 practical, 28 and in the 29 practical given the create the car or curve and initial name. Okay, that's all for you watching the videos in YouTube. Okay, summary on that today's practical session. Practical number 27, 28, 29 will be completed. There's the homework for you. Completed it. Here stop on today's practical session. Thank you.